Hi, I'm Divya Reddy. I work as an applications engineer with DLP Group. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps for upgrading the software and firmware on the DLP LightCrafter development platform. We received few questions on EDID regarding this process, so we decided to put a video together to help you with the upgrade. So right now you can see TI website on the screen, and when you scroll down, click on the DLP and MEMS web page. If you scroll down further on this page, you can see the development tools under getting started, and then choose DLP LightCrafter. If you go further down on this page, we have the software and the firmware package for download. So version 1.1 is the latest firmware for the LightCrafter. Click on the download for downloading the software. This will navigate you to the TI login page. Enter your credentials, your username and password, and login. Once you log into TI account, you have to fill a questionnaire and agree to the terms and conditions, and then you can save the software and firmware package version 1.1 on your computer. As you can see, I saved it on my laptop, and the package comes with the DM365, EDID, MSP430, the GUI for Linux, Mac and Windows operating systems, and the FPGA. The README has all the instructions already provided for the upgrade. So first I'm going to show you how to upgrade the DM365 software. You need an SD card with a capacity of 64 megabytes or larger. Insert a formatted SD card into your notebook and open the command terminal and run the command terminal as an administrator. So once you have the command terminal open, you have to navigate to the folder where you have unzipped all the files that you have just downloaded. I've saved all the files on my desktop. So the DM365 image can be saved on the NAND or on the SD. So the LightCrafter can boot either from the nonflash or from the SD card. And the LCR boot SD is the boot utility for writing the image to the SD card. Navigate to the DM365 software page on the command terminal and then type in LCR boot utility first. First I'll show you how to boot from nonflash. So type in the DM365 image booting from NAND and then choose the directory for the SD card, which is E in my case, with a colon. So as you can see, the command terminal shows you the log with the SD card success message. Now you can exit the command window, and if you go back to your SD card drive, you can see that the dm3xx.dat file is ready. Now remove the SD card from your notebook and insert the SD card on the LightCrafter. Turn the device on. Make sure the dip switch is towards the SD card slot. The dip switch is S2 on the system boot. As you can see on this screen, the booting is 90% complete, and this is when you can say that all the files are ready to be copied to the NAND flash, and the LED D1 below the NAND flash turns green. Now you can turn off the device, remove the SD card, and move the dip switch towards the NAND flash and turn back the device on. Now you should be able to see the colored bar display on the screen in a couple of seconds. So the next step is upgrading the MSP430 software on the LightCrafter. Connect the LightCrafter to the PC via USB. Make sure the device is properly connected. Make sure the device is properly enumerated as a USB RNDIS gadget on your machine. Now go ahead and open the GUI version 3.8. Since I'm using a Windows operating system, I chose the Windows GUI, and then click on connect. So once you got connected to the GUI, you can see that the DM365 version is 3.31. Now I'll show you how to upgrade the MSP430 software. Just navigate to the Solution or Upgrade tab, and then under the Software package, choose MSP430 software. Browse for the MSP430 file that you have downloaded. So it's an LCR MSP430 version 2.5 text file, and click install. As you can see on the bottom of the GUI, the command is processing. Wait till the command is successful. So once the command is success, then power cycle the device. Reopen the GUI and connect to the LightCrafter. Now you can see that the MSP430 version is 2.5. The next step is to upgrade the FPGA firmware. Navigate back again to the Solution or Upgrade tab. Under the Software package, select FPGA firmware and browse for the file that you have downloaded. It's an RPF file. Select the file and click install. Once you see the command success message on the GUI, power cycle the LightCrafter as before. Once you connect back to the GUI, you can see all the new versions of the DM365, FPGA and the MSP430. And the last step is to upgrade the EDID on the LightCrafter. So based on your requirements, you can choose between 608 by 684 or 864 by 480 EDIDs. So I'll show you the upgrade here. So navigate back to the Solution or Upgrade tab and choose EDID. Browse for the file location on your laptop. I'm selecting the 608 by 684 EDID and click install. Once the EDID is installed, go back to the HDMI video tab and now connect the HDMI cable to the LightCrafter. So you have to enter the resolution, the right resolution on the video setting, and the active pixel width is 608 in this case, and the height is 684. Click set. You can select between different bit depths and different frame rates that you want to stream the video, and choose between different LEDs and click set. Now you have your LightCrafter development platform fully upgraded and ready for use. Thank you.